Hey, TGO Traders, Wiz here with Wednesday's market SITREP. Very couple interesting days, obviously. Monday, market freaking out over World War fears and the rise of the re-rise of the Soviet Union, and then a rip your face off rally on Vladimir Putin allegedly blinking. I will tell you that Vladimir Putin does not blink. He's buying time, and it's going to get worse. Okay, but at this point, I really don't care as a trader. I really don't care as an American. I'm stunned just at the leadership vacuum that we've left in the world, and how everybody from China to Russia is just kind of pushing us around and really don't care. It's staggering to me, the way the world's acting. Good news yesterday, though. China fields new intermediate range nuclear missile that can hit our troops in Guam, Okinawa, and Japan. Sweet, good stuff. This came out in their state-run media, and great news. Awesome. So as we last week, Chuck Hagel, a rhino, Republican in name only, literally gutted our defense spending. Here comes the rise of the former Soviet Union and China, the Chinese military. So our Manchurian candidate is almost complete in what he wants to do to our nation. So it's bad. However, who cares? I'm going to trade the hell out of it. We closed a trade the other day, as you can see on the TGO homepage. Closed a bullish double vertical on the VIX. Ended up being about a $4,500 profit. And a 250% gain in a couple days. Bullish double vertical, that volatility was going to spike. And today, I'm getting ready to jump into a wealth creation with options live trading session, and we're going to get bullish on volatility. So we had this pop here in the VIX, and we're back down to what I call our new resting heart rate, which is 14. And when vol's cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. So futures are indicating, a little flat right now. Obviously, after yesterday's 220-point rip-your-face-off rally, we're going to take a pause today. And it's going to be an interesting rest of the week, especially with the ADP jobs numbers. So ADP numbers came out, I'd say soft. 139,000 is very soft. They were looking for 159,000. So 20,000 short on the ADP. And last month's was revised down from 175,000 to 127,000. So very, very soft ADP numbers. Beige Book will be out later today, so that'll be interesting reading. We'll get some non-manufacturing PMI as well at 10 a.m. Thursday, obviously, weekly unemployment claims, but Friday's the big day, folks. Obviously, non-farm payroll and our unemployment rate and average hourly earnings. Going to be very, very interesting. And consumer credit. I'll take a look at that and see where consumer credit trends are heading. But obviously, the big numbers here are non-farm payroll, okay? 113,000 last time, which is just anemic. Calling for $1.51, okay? ADP was calling for $1.57, and that came in light. So it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts if we get a light jobs number. Does the market rally and say, third month in a row of really bad jobs numbers, the Fed's not going anywhere? Or does the market say, wow, bad jobs numbers again, finally we're recognizing that the Fed most likely won't come to the rescue, and we implode, and the market goes down? So keep your eyes on the market on Friday. Again, as an options trader, I really don't care which way the market moves as long as it moves. We can utilize various tactics to take advantage of just movement in the market and not even know which direction that it's going to go as long as it goes. And I guarantee you, based on that jobs report, it's going to do something. Okay, just depends on what mood the market's in, whether or not we're in bizarro market where we think bad news is good news, or we're back to normal market where bad news is bad news. So stay tuned for the rest of the week to see really where we are in this market, and also keep your eye peeled out for Vladimir Putin, who's saying, well, the forces are just there for humanitarian purposes. Again, he kind of did Lucy with the football with Obama, just like he did on Syria, painted the president into a box with a lot of harsh words, and now he's saying they're just there for humanitarian. Come on. The U.S. military goes around the world and goes into countries for humanitarian missions, Mr. Obama. Why can't we? So here we go. Going to be an interesting couple of weeks to see what happens in Crimea and Ukraine, and see if the old Soviet warrior is back. And that obviously has huge implications for Europe and the rest of the world. Okay, so got to run. Got our live trading session. I'll be back tomorrow with Thursday's market outlook. We'll see you.